Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Samsung phone charging sound. So if each time you connected your Samsung phone to the charger and the charger is connected to a power source, the charging sound beeps, and now you want to change the charging sound, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to change charging sound on Samsung is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Now, once you selected sounds and vibration, scroll down the page, locate system sound and click on that. And once you click on system sound, locate system sound theme and then click on that. Once you click on system sound theme, then you have 4 options available here, although this may vary depending on your Samsung Galaxy device. Then you can see choose a theme to use for touch interactions, charging, changing the sound mode, Samsung keyboard, phone keypad, volume button, and low battery notification. Now, to change the charging sound, come here and select your choice. And then, once you're done, hit the back button, and also come here and turn on charging. Once you enable charging here, the charging sound will be changed and you'll be notified at the same time with the charging sound that your Samsung phone is charging. So that is basically how to change charging sound on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.